What's up, guys? We're here today. We're going to try to go out on the lake and get some fish. It is currently 5 o'clock. I'm headed to the boat ramp. I got a pretty long drive this morning. When we get there, I'll show you a tour of the boat and everything, but we're going to try to get on some bass today. We're going out on the lake. It's kind of cold. We got a front coming through. I don't know how it's going to be. They may bite pretty good. They may not. We're going to see, though. We're going to keep our best 5. Try to get a good picture at the end. But anyway, once we get there, I will whip y'all back out and show y'all what's popping. So we just got here. We're sitting in the truck waiting on the other part to get here today. It's really windy out here today. I don't know how the fish are gonna act to that. I've never fished here before. The guy I'm fishing with today has been here quite a bit, actually. So we're just waiting on him to get here, and when we get here, I'll show y'all the boat, and we'll try to get started and catch some fish. Well. Look who it is. He finally showed up.
There he is.
There we go.
Little bitty one. Well, that's a better start.
That's what I'm talking about. I've never been so happy to see a little fish in the boat in my life.
Yeah. Not much to him, but there he is. Beats the heck out of not catching nothing.
That's right. Got the chunk off our back. Now it's time to get down. Look, he's all eat on. Look at him. He might be 12. I don't know. Yeah, we'll get a measure here. I can't even tell what it's a large now. We're out here. These conditions are not the best for fishing today, but we're sticking it out. We've got 2 in the boat. The wind is killing us out here. We're having to try to stay out of the wind. Bite's tough. They're just not wanting it today. Got a little lockjaw. We know there's fish here though. We've seen them on our fish finder. Been throwing a crankbait today. He's throwing a jerkbait. They just want to fish right there on top.
Really?
Yeah. But anyway, we're out here trying it out. We'll see if we can't get 3 more to get full 5 so we can see what it'd be. I feel like today if there was a tournament, it'd be one of them like 2 fish wins it.
It's definitely tough today, I can tell you that.
I mean, we're doing the best we can out here. We've covered a lot of water. We're gonna keep on going. Switch y'all back to the GoPro. See y'all in a minute. I caught one. I didn't even get it on camera again. Oh my gosh, I'm bad about that.
Get him on camera.
Yeah, I got him on camera today.
Ain't much of him, but
No, that's all she got right there. That'll be all right though. Better than nothing. He wanted it too. He hit it twice.
The boat or?
Yeah, pretty close to it. I wasn't either. He's healthy. See what we get. Oh, we got 5. Hallelujah. I threw it pretty close to the bank over there. It felt good though. There he is. Nice one.
Just swing him in. There you go. Ooh! There you go.
Oh my gosh, he's barely hooked.
I told you.
There we go, baby. Which one do you want to call? Pick one out. The homely looking one.
Whichever one looks dumb. I don't know, man. You can definitely put him in.
You want to put him right here?
Yeah, you can go ahead and put him in.
We might have found the bank. The bank we've been waiting for all day.
I always catch a bunch of fish right here. You been pausing it or just reeling?
Just reeling it. Yeah, straight retrieve. I hadn't been pausing it. Now I'm not just cranking the heck out of it either.
Right.
But yep. No, he's gonna be about the same, ain't he? Yep. That's fish. Fish is fish. He's been eat on too by something.
They like that little crankbait you're throwing at me.
I guess they do. Little excitement late here.
Yeah. I think we're going to catch one right here from here to the bush on that point right there. I usually do anyways. Well, they seem to like yours. I wouldn't switch it until we know they're not biting it anymore, you know. There he is. I don't know how good he is. He feels like he might be better.
Oh, hey, hey.
Oh gosh. He barely hooked. Barely hooked. You're gonna have to lip him for me. Got him? Boo!
That's a good one.
That'll call, that'll call.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
I knew he was gonna catch one right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that'll call right there.
I like it.
Boy, he barely hooked.
Yeah, he was.
Yep. Seems like it's getting better as we go.
Yeah. I like it.
There he is, right at the boat.
Oh yeah. What's a better one too?
Yep.
You hear all with me if you want me to.
Coming around the side. Just gonna swing him.
There we go. Oh yeah.
Well, he came up and
Boom. Off the paws or just
yeah, off the paws.
There we go. Fish in the boat, baby.
That pause is killing him.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, yeah, not a bad one. Not a bad one at all.
Yes, sir.
See what he'll measure just for shits and giggles. How long you think that bass is there?
What is he, 16?
He's almost about a 1/4 inch from 16.
Pretty good.
Put him on the big side. Yeah, we ain't gonna complain on that.
No, sir.
I'm glad we come in this little cove.
Ain't no wind back here, I'll tell you that. Alright, so we're out here today on the upper end of Greers Ferry Lake. Water temperature is pretty cold today. It's probably about 50 degrees. We're about to show you our best 5 and go ahead and release them right here. We think we had about 8 or 9 pounds today. Pretty tough today, but I think we scratched out quite a few today, ended up toward the end. And, you know, I mean, we had a pretty good day today. So I'm going to show you our best 5 and we're going to go ahead and release them. So, here's one of them. Nice little spotted bass there. We're going to get a release on him. There he goes. And what we got here next? We got us a nice little largemouth here. Probably 1.5 2 pounder. Go ahead and get a nice release on him. There he goes. Next we have us pretty little spotted bass. Another largemouth. Goes. Last one. Another little spot. Pretty good one. Look at the belly on it. Nice one. There he goes. So that was our trip today. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next one.